Want to save time adding members to your Microsoft Teams community? Instead of inviting people one by one, you can add everyone at once. Yes, in bulk. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through a foolproof step-by-step process to bulk add members to Microsoft Teams in just a few clicks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite a whole group instantly without errors. Let's dive right in. Sign in to Microsoft Teams. First, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you're using the account that owns or manages the team or community you want to update. Go to the Community section. Once you're in Teams, look at the main navigation panel. Click on Community. This is where you manage all team interactions, including adding and removing members. Start the invitation. Inside the community area, find the option that says Invite People. It's usually right on the top or in the upper right corner. Click it to open the invitation window. Enter email addresses in bulk. Here's the game changer. In the email field, type all the email addresses of the people you want to add. Separate each email with a comma. That's the magic trick that lets you bulk add everyone in one go. Double-check spelling and formatting. Mistyped emails will fail to send, so a quick review saves you headaches later. Send the invitations. After you've entered every address, simply click Invite. Microsoft Teams will send a batch of invitations instantly. Each person on your list will receive an email to join your community. As soon as they accept, they're added. No further action required from you. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can invite an entire team, class, or community without sending individual requests. Bulk adding members to Microsoft Teams is that simple. Sign in, go to Community, invite people, separate emails with commas, and hit Invite. If this guide saved you time, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Microsoft 365 tips. Now go supercharge your Teams community with one powerful bulk add.